Welcome to Monkey Doodle, friends, and happy holidays. All right, today we're going to draw a friendly elf. Everybody loves elves. All right, so we're going to start with an oval near the top of your paper, a big oval, all right? Ready? Let's go. Okay, there's a good oval. And on that oval, we're going to draw an elf hat. It has a curve that goes this way, and then a point curve that goes that way. All right, it's a little elf hat, but it's okay. And if you want, you can put a little ball or bell at the end. Okay, we're going to connect this little opening here. And this is going to be a boy elf. I'm going to make part of his hair go up like that. And a line on the side. Another line for part of his hair on the side here. All right, there's our elf friend developing. And now we're going to put elf eyes. So we're going to just go with two nice oval shapes, spread them out. All right, we're going to put a U-type line, looks like a letter U for the nose, and a big smile across, like a happy elf. And we can put some elf ears on the side. We're going to come up with a curvy line and come down and back, and the same type of shape inside. So it goes up to a point and then down. And similar on this side, slight curvy line up and down, and slight curvy line up and down. All right, those are the elf ears. Okay, our friend is taking shape, and you can put a couple lines in here too for hair. The one here and here if you'd like to. All right, you guys are doing great. And I hope you're getting ready for your holidays. A lot of excitement in the air. Woohoo! All right, we're going to do a short neck here. And we're going to close it with a curve there. And then we're going to come out. Our elf is just going to have his arms spread out. Short line there, short straight line there. Curve for the sleeves. Go back in, go back in. And we're going to come down, slightly out, down, slightly out. Close it with a downward curve. Slight, and that's our elf shirt. We're going to put some hands that are just outstretched, thumb, and 1, 2, 3. Thumb goes up, curve, and then 1, 2, and 3. Back to the wrist there. If you want, you can close this little spot here for the sleeve for a little realistic effect. All right. Our elf is ready to welcome you into the holidays. Now we're going to do pants. So again, go down, up and in, down. It's like a big W. And then down over here. Okay, so we have a bunch of straight angled lines that connect. Close it with a curve. We're going to make a line that goes down and out and curls. So watch. Down, out, and then curl, down, out, and then curl, and that's for the elf's silly shoe. And then from the inside part, we're going to go in and connect it. Inside, we're going to go in and connect it to the bottom of the leg. Cool. Our elf is taking shape. I'm going to do some decoration. We'll put a star here, make him festive. Maybe a couple of stripes at the end of the sleeve might look cool. I like that. And how about some candy cane stripes on the pants? Might be interesting. Our candy cane pants, maybe we should get them. All right, cool. And just to finish it off real quick, you can put a couple of candy canes flying around. There we go. They're just a bunch of upside down J shapes. And you can put them wherever you want. All right. Our elf is in the house. Cool. And don't forget your stripes on the candy cane, right? Make them diagonal. Good job, guys. And happy holidays to everybody. Ho, 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 ho. Sounded too much like Santa. All right, get ready to hyperspace color. Whoosh, let's go. Hey, Babi, are you helping the elf to deliver presents? That's awesome. Go, Babi.